It's sad anytime you lose a life or a life's taken.
Raymond Shirley lives just a few houses away on Cherry Street from where crime tape and police cars blocked off a crime scene last week. It was the first homicide in New Albany since the new year started.
Well, we see police cars running this way and that way. So at this moment, we don't know exactly what's going on.
A 37-year-old man, identified as Joshua Gonzalez, was found shot and killed. The person who police say pulled the trigger, a 17-year-old named Vance Martin, who is now being charged as an adult. According to investigators, the teenager was the one who called police after he shot the 37-year-old. A police affidavit states that Gonzalez went to go buy drugs from Vance Martin last Tuesday. After that, at some point, an argument broke out. Martin told investigators that Gonzalez pulled a gun and fired first, and Martin fired back, hitting him several times. A witness who was visiting Martin stated Gonzalez tried to rob the teenager, but Gonzalez's mother, Sophia, says she believes there's more to this story.
It's a nightmare. It looks like I'm going to wake up and he's going to walk in the door.
While she acknowledges her son was far from perfect, he now leaves behind 2 kids.
They took something from me that I can never get back. My son didn't have to die like that.
For people living in the area, they say crimes like this, while uncommon, makes them wary of their surroundings.
More cautious, yeah. I am. I got 2 dogs now, so that's my safety. I got one in the house and one outside.
Shaquille Lord, WLKY.